Imagine if your computer had its own AI assistant that could open apps, run commands, automate tasks, and even understand what's happening on your screen. Most people still use their computers the traditional way, doing everything manually.
You're welcome, sir.
But what if an AI could do those tasks for you? Today I'm going to show you Brahma AI, a desktop automation assistant that turns your computer into something like your own personal JARVIS. Step 2. What Brahma AI is a desktop assistant built using Electron with a Python backend. It combines
Open Chrome
local system
successfully,
control
sir.
with powerful cloud AI using Google Gemini to execute commands, automate workflows, and interact with your computer naturally. The goal of Brahma AI
Downloads
is to make
organized
your
by
computer
chat.
smarter and automate tasks that normally take multiple steps. Step 3. Installing Brahma AI first. Let me show you how to install Brahma AI on your computer. Go to my website and download the Brahma AI installer. The file will download as a normal executable file, just like any other Windows application. Once the download is finished, open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. Find the Brahma AI installer and double-click it. Install the application just like you would install any normal program on Windows. After the installation is complete, launch the Brahma AI application. Step 4. Creating your account. When the app opens for the first time, you will see the login screen. Since you are a new user, click on Create Account. Enter your email and password and create your account. Brahma AI uses secure authentication, so your account information is handled safely. While creating your account, you will be taken to the Setup screen where you need to add your Gemini API key. This key allows Brahma AI to use Google's AI models to understand commands and generate actions. On the Setup page, you will see a redirect link that takes you directly to Google AI Studio. Click the redirect link and it will open Google AI Studio in your browser. Once the page loads, click on Create API Key. Google will generate a new API key for you. Copy the generated key and return to the Brahma AI application. Paste the API key into the input field and continue. Once this step is done, Brahma AI is fully set up and ready to use.